There are many products available to choose from electric spiralizers, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric spiralizers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fullstar Mandoline Slicer Spiralizer. Compact and cleaning is a breeze. Unlike large units which are a hassle to store and clean, our pocket-sized spiralizer fits just about anywhere. The spiralizer can be fully disassembled with ease, and every component is dishwasher safe. Functionality with ease: 4 options to fulfill all of your spiralizing needs in one space-saving kitchen gadget. Perfect for zoodles, healthy vegetable pasta, and gorgeous garnishes, all available with just an easy push of a button. Mess-free storage solutions. The Fullstar Spiralizer comes with a removable container to catch all of your freshly sliced veg and lid, so you have the option to store it for later. Keeping you and your family safe, we know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Our handheld spiralizer therefore comes with a non-slip finger guard to keep you safe whilst in use. This also minimizes waste and maximizes your yield of delicious zoodles. Read the manual carefully. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer closely before use. If you have any questions or issues regarding the spiralizer, please do not hesitate to send the seller a message through Amazon, and we will respond within 24 hours. Tired of using big clunky tools that take up space in your kitchen? Fullstar pocket-sized spiralizer fits just about anywhere, and is able to handle anything from carrots to zucchini and apples. It only consists of 4x parts and is easy to disassemble and clean. Number 2. Fullstar All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Greatest functionality on the market. 5 interchangeable blades mean this kitchen gadget meets all of your slicing, grating, and chopping needs. Choose the perfect thickness of your sliced vegetables with the easy-to-use adjuster dial, and select the ideal size for your chopped vegetables by simply changing the inserts. Bonus: handheld spiralizer. Compact and easy to use, the Fullstar Mandoline Slicer comes with a bonus 3-in-1 adjustable spiralizer. Unlike large units, this kitchen gadget is easy to store and a breeze to clean as it is dishwasher safe. Keeping you and your family safe, we know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Our set therefore comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe whilst you are using the spiral slicer, and a cleaning brush and blade organizer for when you aren't. The app's plastic is non-toxic and BPA free, guaranteeing healthy meals for your family. No mess and no slips. Our catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient. No mess and no messing around. It makes cleaning effortless, and our non-slip base also makes your slicing, chopping, and grating that much easier. Plus, the slicer chopper is entirely dishwasher safe. Top rack. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Fullstar food chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and backed by... Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Spiralizer. The Hamilton Beach Electric Spiralizer will make your spiralizing journey a breeze, helping you create delicious vegetable spaghetti, linguine, and ribbons in no time. With 3 cutting cones included, it offers versatility and flexibility to suit your culinary needs. It effortlessly transforms your favorite produce into beautiful spirals without the need for pre-cutting. With a generous 6-cup capacity, you can spiralize a substantial amount of vegetables in one go, making it perfect for feeding the whole family or meal prepping for the week ahead. It's built with high-quality materials to withstand the demands of your kitchen, and the easy-to-use interface and functions ensure a hassle-free spiralizing experience. Plus, the removal parts are dishwasher safe, and you will receive a bonus cleaning brush with your purchase. This electric spiralizer is the perfect companion for anyone looking to add more creativity and nutrition to their meals. Number 4. Bella Electric Spiralizer. Prepare perfectly healthy noodles and ribbons in a flash with the Bella Electric Spiralizer. It's fast, easy to use, and comes with 4 interchangeable blades for superior efficiency and effortless fruit and veggie prep. No manual slicing or chopping required. The one-touch auto-move blade allows for safe, simple, hands-free operation, and accommodates vegetables up to 6 inches long. Its detachable parts are also dishwasher safe, saving you the hassle of scrubbing and soaking. To spice things up even more, this electric spiralizer comes with a recipe book, so you can explore a variety of delicious and healthy meal ideas that will inspire your culinary adventures. Whether you're looking to add some pizzas to your salads, create zucchini noodles for a low-carb pasta alternative, or make beautiful garnishes for your dishes, this spiralizer can help you reimagine every meal. Number 5. NutriChef Electric Spiralizer. Experience quick and convenient food prep with the NutriChef Electric Spiralizer, a versatile 3-in-1 food processor that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Impress your guests and serve stunning salads by effortlessly creating fun and healthy vegetable garnishes, pasta, noodles, and more. Designed with a simple electronic plug-in design, this Spiralizer offers a hassle-free experience. It comes with 3 switchable cutting blades, allowing you to choose between coarse, fine chop, and spiral styles for endless possibilities. It also includes a 1.2L collection bowl, making it convenient for preparing larger quantities of spiralized vegetables. Its safe food-grade construction and stainless steel blades will extend its chopping, slicing, and spiralizing capabilities for many meals to come. Whether you want to add some excitement to your family meals or get creative when serving your dinner guests, this electric Spiralizer is a great kitchen addition. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products, as they will make your life easier.